So hey everybody, and welcome to the first video of my Mother Nature series. So all in all, there'll be 4 tutorials, and each of those tutorials will contain makeup looks that are inspired by the 4 elements, which are water, earth, air, and fire. So as you can probably guess from the title up there, this is the water inspired look, and I can tell you that it's a quite blue, smoky, greenish look, and it's dominated by the eyeliner and the falsies so badly. So I think it's very dramatic. We're proud of this, so I hope you like it and enjoy. So take off by using your favorite eyeshadow primer. And please don't forget to define your eyebrows. They frame your eyes, so that's why they're so essential. For this specific makeup look, we need some serious highlighting, so just go wild. And now set the white eyeliner with some white eyeshadow. And now take a light blue shade and work it into your inner corners and extend it outwards. And blend some dark blue eyeshadow into your crease. Create some color variation by using a green eyeshadow in your crease. Now for the liquid eyeliner. Of course you can do a simple cat eye, but I did something a little different and I really don't know what to call it, so you'll just have to watch. Swipe the water off your waterline with a Q-tip. Apply some blue eyeliner to match the rest of your eye. And set it with blue eyeshadow. So yeah, obviously this step is optional, but if you want, you can apply false lashes, and I'm just using some I cut in half. Apply a favorite lipstick, and I like to dab it on because I don't like the harsh color payoff it can give you sometimes. Use the bronzer if you wish to have a sun-kissed glow. And we're finished. Take care, have fun, and I'll speak to you guys soon.